National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allen County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Noble County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Columbia City, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Wayne, Huntertown, Churubusco, Swan, Eage, Dunphy, Blue Lake, Wallen, Coessie, Legato, Rayber, Collins, Arcola, Ari, and Lake Everett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging wind. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Allen, Noble, and Whitley.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.
At Walden,
Element of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your
The following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 344 and 357. Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 130 and 150. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeast.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, Wayne County, Union County, Indiana, Fayette County, Indiana, Preble County, Butler County, Southern Darke County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of New Castle to 10 miles southwest of Rushville, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, public. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Fairfield, Richmond, Oxford, Connorsville, Eaton, Batesville, Brookville, Centerville, Cambridge City, Ross, Liberty, Arcanum, Camden, Lewisburg, Hagerstown, New Paris, West Alexandria, New Madison, and Gratis. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 17. I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 145 and 148.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Delavan, Darien, Allen's Grove and Delavan Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
This emergency warning message has been brought. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Branch County in southwestern Michigan until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bronson, or 11 miles northeast of Sturgis, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Union City around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hodlock, Madison Lake, and Sherwood. This includes Interstate 69 in Michigan near mile marker 21. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This emergency warning message.
Once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and northeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Huntington and Wells.